Summer boating season beginning Friday, and one Lake Cumberland marina is hurrying as best they can to get it all ready.
Officer Don shot this video of Lee's Ford Marina today. A snowstorm caused damage and destroyed docks back in January. Since then, crews have been working hard to repair them. As WKYT's Phil Pendleton shows us, the owner says the docks will be ready in time.
If there's one silver lining to all the damage done to Lee's Ford Marina, owner J.D. Hamilton says it's been all the jobs created to fix it.
We were advertising on the radio, we were advertising in the paper, $15 an hour, come on down, all the overtime you want.
January snowfall brought down nearly every roof-covered dock, creating a major repair job that's cost nearly $4 million.
3 acres of dock. It's 120 some odd, almost 128,000 square feet, under roof.
And taken 4 months to finish.
They've done a fantastic job. To get this much done that fast.
Hamilton says they're about 90% finished. Friday marks the start of the busy season on the lake. It's Black Friday to the boating world.
Working really hard, getting up at 7 and working till dark and watching the weather.
Crews have worked 7 days a week. A week ago, some said it looked doubtful the work would be finished.
All this just Sunday was not covered.
Hundreds of boats were taken elsewhere. Starting now, they can bring them back.
Tonight, actually, I'm getting ready to send out an email to let everybody know that they can start moving back in.
He says all the docks will be covered by Friday. The only question mark is if all the electricity will be back on by then. In Pulaski County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
Hamilton tells us insurance paid for most of the repairs, but he did have to pay for some of the expense himself.